Hey there, how's it going? So I just wanted to do a quick little video to show you how I set my car up, my Tesla Model Y, set it up for when I go through an automatic car wash. You have a few options that you can do. One option is you can have the mirrors automatically fold in at that location every time you go there. And I like that way the mirrors fold in and I don't have to worry about them getting broken or getting hit or anything going through the automatic car wash. And another feature that you need to make sure you do is you turn off your automatic windshield wipers. You want to make sure you turn them off as well. Now here I'm going to show you how to set that up now, and then we're going to go through a car wash and I'll show you what it does. Alright, so when you're on your home screen here in your car, the very first thing you do is right here in your windshield wiper blades. You want to make sure that it says off. Alright, you just simply, if it's on, there it's going to be on auto or whatever, so you just make sure it says off. So that's the first thing that you always have to do is whenever you get to the screen. The next thing you would do is you're going to hit your car button there, and then right here where it says mirrors, under adjustment, under quick controls, all you're going to do is you're going to click fold, and then when you're at the, and you don't do this until you're in the line at the car wash. When you're in the line at the car wash and after you hit fold, then click the always fold mirrors at this location. Boom. So next time when you come into that car wash, as you're waiting in line, your mirrors are automatically fold in. And it's a pretty good situation there. So, and if you ever want to take it off, just hit that button there, unfold, and then everything's good to go. Alright, here I am. I'm pulling into the car wash right now. And let's see if the mirrors fold in like they're supposed to. There they go. Pulling in. Alright. Windshield wipers turned off. Next thing you want to make sure is you put it in neutral. There you go. Got it in neutral. Let go. Go for the ride. You get through the car wash and you're ready to go. Put it in drive. Alright, as you can see, it's just really 3 easy steps. 1, get your mirrors folded in. 2, make sure your windshield wipers are turned off. And 3, make sure you put it in neutral so you can ride along on the conveyor belt there. And when you get done, all you gotta do is put it back in drive, pull out. I always like to take a dry cloth and finish drying off my car to get all the wet spots off of it. I always take the vacuum out the carpets, and that's it. And I've always take my cars through the car wash every couple days just because I have the unlimited package through the car wash here. So thanks again. If you like my video, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. Thanks. Till then, guys. Thanks again.